have an oven and a microwave for them hot pockets. Check this out. Before this video gets started, I do want to mention that we just dropped another brand new Goonzquad hoodie, this time in the olive color, and these suckers are super fire, and also they're pretty dang limited. This is actually the last one that we're dropping in this style right here, so if you want to copy one and help support your boys, be sure to visit goonzquad.com. But as right now, let's get to the video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the original Goonzquad garage, but we're actually gonna head to the new commercial property because, as you guys know, we did have a work stop order there a couple of days ago, and we reversed Uno that, and we are back to business over there. We even picked up a whole entire lumber package for our office in there, and they're actually gonna come out tomorrow to start framing that sucker up, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna head that way and actually prep that for the guys to come out there, the framers and stuff like that, clean up the inside of the garage, clean up the outside of the garage, and also we're probably going to start clearing our fence line. That way we can start prepping the whole exterior as well, because the interior is going to go quick and the exterior needs to look just as good. You know what I mean?
You got that right there,
we're probably going to start off by going to Home Depot too and picking up a few things, maybe get like some hand snippers. That way we can snip all the vines out of the fence line. Probably grab some contractor trash bags and stuff like that. And if they have those little hand trash picker upper things, we'll probably grab that too. That way we can just toss everything, dude.
Yep, because we don't have any heavy equipment out there, and I don't think we'll need that right there.
Yeah, we probably won't need any of that.
But I know what we do need.
What?
Get me a Carhartt.
I know, dude, because right now, dude, this Carhartt is making me want to, you know, just work and pick up a hammer or something, dude.
You got that right. But also, we got some stuff that we got to do up on the mountain, but I think we might save that for some other time. This is more important.
Yeah, this is more important. That mountain stuff is pretty important, but dude, we got to get our shop going. So I say we go ahead, probably hop in the Raptor, head to Home Depot or to another store, get what we need, and head to the commercial property. Alrighty guys, so check this out. We got this whole entire fence line right here cleaned up, and it looks so much better. We did try a few different methods. We got the clippers out here. Pops even brought out a blowtorch, which that was crazy right there. It actually works. You got the bottom of the fence line right there, and all the stuff that like we couldn't take out, he burned that up. There is still a little bit more here and there, but honestly, we're not too worried about that because I think eventually we'll probably knock down this whole entire fence and throw up a brand new one. Maybe even do like a privacy fence you can't see through or something like that. Who knows? Though?
For sure, 100%. I mean, we didn't go all the way to the end right there because there's like a bunch of stuff stacked on the side. We'll get to that a little bit later, but this is the main part right here. Looks a lot better,
yep,
dude.
We still got that whole entire fence line over there, which we'll probably try to get to a little bit later. I don't know if we'll get to it today because this does take a long time to do. I mean, look how much vines we popped out right there. We just kind of
piles, dude.
Piles. We threw it on the side of the road because the city will actually come out here and they'll just scoop it into their truck. So that's awesome about being in the city right there.
Oh yeah.
But also what we want to do is mow the sides of the road right here. We'll even hit that side over there.
Dude, we even picked up all the trash.
We
it was like a full trash bag, super heavy. Looks a lot better now. Now we just need to like mow both sides.
Yes,
dude.
sir. That claw man came in handy right there, dude.
Yeah,
It's super
dude.
nice. Imagine if you had two of them.
Dude, easily. And this concrete pad right here got cleaned up really nicely. That looks super good, but although we may have to remove this, right?
I think based off of the site plans, we might have to pop it up, but we'll see. Maybe they'll let it slide. We'll have to talk to the inspectors.
Yeah.
They weren't really too sure about what we had to do with this, but other than that, it's looking absolutely amazing right now. But you know what? Right now, we're gonna probably head back to the original Goonzquad house or the original Goonzquad garage and pick up that lumber, because the framers will be out here bright and early in the morning. I think 8:30 in the morning. So we'll have that stuff ready for them. We can go ahead and unload it. And while we're out there, I think we're gonna pick up the zero turn.
Yeah.
And see if we could load it up on the trailer and mow some stuff and maybe do a little bit more cleanup. And
we got to clean up the inside
that's
too.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, we'll probably move on to that next because time is just flying right now. So let's just go ahead and head back to the house. Alrighty guys, so check this out. It is the next day here, and yesterday we ended up doing a little bit of cleanup on the inside. Also got this about halfway in there.
Halfway in there. I mean, this was kind of like a fail right here, but you know what? As long as it's in here, it was just really difficult to drive on this gravel with Big Bertha. She was just sinking because it rained not long ago. But you know what? As long as it's in there and they can just pull it off right here and get straight to work.
Dude, that right there is honestly almost like a booby trap. That strap around there, dude, is under so much tension right now.
Dude, it'll probably just like spread all the lumber once you cut that. So we got to be careful with that strap right there, dude.
Let me show you guys real quick.
Careful right there, that thing might just break on you.
We also got the framer and the contractor in there as well. They're basically just lining everything, or
yeah, they're making marks on the floor. That way they
lines.
can go ahead and start putting the base down, and they're gonna start framing everything up, which is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be epic. I mean, this is about to start coming together, dude.
That's what I'm saying, dude. It's about to all get done, dude. I think they're gonna knock it out in one day or maybe even a couple hours.
Dude, for sure. And also, look at that, man. Came this morning, the sun coming out of the sky over there, and you just see like a beautiful cut grass, clean fence, and honestly I can't wait to clean the rest of the fence. And also we did rip a belt on the lawnmower, so we couldn't really mow everything 100% like all the way around. We'll probably get one today and just finish it up.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly. We might even be working on the fence line on the other side while they're working on framing that, unless they're moving super quick and we just get the whole process.
For sure. So I say we go ahead, hop in there,
see what happens,
see how fast they can frame it up.
Alrighty guys, so check this out. A couple hours later and these boys are absolutely moving, and they almost got the whole entire office area knocked out. They basically got the framing part knocked out. All they really got left is just to throw on some plywood, and that'll be pretty much it, dude.
That is crazy. Them guys knocked it out in practically like 2 hours or something, dude.
Probably about an hour and a half, man.
I didn't even see a measuring tape. Those guys are so precise. I think it's just like second nature for them, dude.
It is, dude. I'm telling you, they don't even have to think, dude. They just go with it, and they just absolutely flow with it as well.
Yes, sir.
But another thing that allowed them to finish up a lot faster is the fact that we opted for a smaller office. As you guys can tell, there's that blue water line right there, and that's originally where the wall was supposed to end. But I think we want more workspace than office space.
Yeah, I mean, where are you going to be working mostly? In here, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
Small sacrifice we had to make,
yep,
dude.
and you could probably even do a donut right here now.
Dude, cut some up over here,
way
dude.
cooler right there.
Yes, sir.
But anyways, let's step inside the office area. So this is the entry door from the garage to the office. You step inside over here into the kitchenette right here. We're going to have some cabinets. We're going to have an oven and a microwave for them hot pockets, and a refrigerator for them cold pops.
For the cold pops, dude. You got that right. Always need something because we like cooking. You never know, you know?
That's what I'm saying, dude.
The fridge is always good. And right here is going to be 2 bathrooms, right?
Yep, and one of them is actually bigger than the other because it has to be wheelchair accessible based on the codes and all that good stuff. Got another one, but you know what? Just big 2 is better than 1.
Dude, 2 is always better than 1. You know, you're not waiting in line for a bathroom.
Yep, exactly.
You know what I mean?
Also, we're going to have our desk about right here, so I think that's plenty of office space. Maybe have not a
crouton,
a futon right here, or maybe a bunk bed.
Or maybe nothing at all. That way you don't sit down, dude.
No sitting area, actually. That way we mean business. But that's pretty much it for the office. Man, these boys are absolutely moving, so you can imagine that we're going to have this sucker probably done in the beginning of next year.
Yeah,
dude.
beginning of next year. We already even had the electrician out here giving us an estimate, so he's going to be out here really soon too, as soon as possible.
As soon as possible. Lots of conduit. This is going to be way more expensive than actually wiring up a regular house. But you know what? This is going to be done here really soon. The electrician is what's going to be pushed back the furthest, probably the beginning of next year, which is only 3 weeks. We got the garage doors coming in next week.
Dude, Goonzquad Garage 2022 incoming, dude.
And then we just got plumbing, and that's pretty much it. We could pass our final, and it's game over, dude.
You got that right. I mean, but this office is still pretty big in size. The roof is, the ceilings are going to be 9 foot. Look at that, dude. Super tall. Don't tell me it's a raptor key. We done had one key go missing.
This is the F450 key right here. These keys are expensive, dude. $250 a key, and then another $170 to get it programmed.
That's crazy, man.
Crazy. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this. We're about to update you guys. They're taking lunch, and then they're gonna have this sucker finished up. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and jump onto that fence line, do a little bit of mowing and cleaning up. Alrighty guys, so check this out. We finally got this whole entire office completely framed in. I think they call it dry it in right here, where it's just ready for some sheetrock and some power, dude. And also some plumbing as well. So I think what you call dried in is basically none of the plumbing, none of the electrical, none of that
just
stuff.
the wood. So this is just it right here. I mean, it looks good with just that, but what do you call it? Plywood on the wall right there. And I mean, you can kind of see exactly what it's gonna look like now. You know what I mean? You walk in, like you mentioned, we might have a desk right here, the kitchen right there, the bathrooms, everything is ready to go. And the next step is basically electrical and plumbing. So that's coming in here really soon. And the garage doors are coming in here really soon. And I mean, this is gonna be it.
This is gonna be it. You got that right, dude. Just like you said, it's like a song, man. It's gonna be as sweet as a song.
As sweet as a song. So I mean, I'm just super excited to be at this point right here. One day, one time frame, and that's it, man.
Yes, sir. And also, we ended up doing a little bit of cleanup on that side of the fence over there.
Yeah, mowed that grass over there, cleaned up more trash dash looks really good now. We just got to clean up the rest of that fence line, which will be here really soon as well. But for the shop, that's a pretty big update.
But that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video, guys. We're super happy with the amount of progress that we made at the new Goonzquad garage. In the next one, I don't know where we're gonna continue, either here or up on the mountain, or maybe even on a car. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned. Make sure your post notifications are on. And also, if you want an inside scoop before YouTube, definitely give us a follow on Instagram at Goonzquad. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Be sure to drop your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.